Hello everyone, we all are already excited about our upcoming festivals, and the festival means lot of food and enjoyment. Along with this, we should also be conscious about our health. So Cuisine Capture is here today with 4 types of immunity boosting drinks. Please watch till end, and if you like this video, please hit the like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe.
Number 1. Honey Lime Water. Here is some benefits of this drink. Number 2 is orange, carrot and apple juice. Now, check out the benefits of this juice. Number 3 is beetroot carrot juice. This juice has lots of benefits. Let's see some of them. Number 4. Turmeric pepper milk. Here is some benefits of this drink as well. If you want to add sweetness in any of the drink, add honey. Adding sugar is not recommended.